Samsung has long made some of the best wearables for Android users around. Now, building on the success of their editor's choice award-winning Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, the company has made what we consider to be the best Android smartwatch ever better. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, available at Samsung for $239.99, sports a bigger, brighter screen than its predecessor had, a much improved processor, and a variety of fitness tracking sensors that can help you get a much better overall picture of your health. When we talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, pros and cons are stylish design, bright display, solid battery life, and some other features also. It is not perfect, for only those who own Samsung smartphone will get to see all of the bells and whistles this wearable has to offer. But for most Android phone users, the Galaxy Watch 6 is the best smartwatch you can pair with your smartphone right now. The Galaxy Watch 6 is available in two variants, the standard Galaxy Watch 6 and a Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Our review model was the standard 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 in silver. The Classic has a larger rotating bezel. The rotating bezel allows for a different way to interact with the software than simple tapping and swiping at the display, a feature that the standard Galaxy Watch 6 can't match. Some may prefer the Classic slightly bulkier build that helps make the device look a little more like a traditional watch. Most of the specifications are the same except for the size of the display and the resolution. Both versions come in two sizes and both are available with or without cellular connectivity. For the standard Galaxy Watch 6, you will get a choice between 40mm and 44mm, while the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic you will be able to choose between 43mm and 47mm sizes. The Classics comes in black or silver, while the Galaxy Watch 6 comes in gold, graphite or silver. So let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 specifications. And it has 1.5-inch display, always on AMOLED, and has a Exynos W930 dual-core 5nm processor. It also has a connectivity of Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, GPS, NFC, LTE, and has a accelerometer, gyro, baro, ambient light, compass-like sensors. And it also has a heart rate monitor, ECG, BP, BIA, continuous SpO2 thermometer. It also has a water resistance of IP68. It also comes with a mic and speaker, and it has a 425 mAh battery. It also comes with a memory of 2 GB plus 16 GB. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.